Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our today's video, we are going to see the type of questions that are asked in IAS interview. The GK of the candidate is already tested through their written papers, but the intention of the UPSC or IAS interview is to reveal the mental qualities of the candidate. To score well in the UPSC interview, the candidate can divide his preparation topics into 4 kinds. The 4 kinds of questions are based on profile, current affairs, questions based on situation, and behavioral questions. Let's see what type of questions are asked based on a profile. The UPSC panel often asks questions based on the profile of the candidate to assess his or her mental stability and performance. The questions can be related to educational background, work experience, reasons for choosing civil service, optional subject preference of services, district and state he or she belongs to, etc. Therefore, the candidate must be well prepared to answer all the questions related to his or her own profile. Candidates are expected to have an interest not only in the special subjects of academic study but also in the events which are happening around them both within and outside their own state or country. Now let's see what are the type of questions based on current affairs. A UPSC aspirant must always know the current events of national and international importance. In the UPSC interview, the questions may be asked on various current social, economic, and political topics. The candidate should have a balanced view of the topic. The candidate can take a stand on the topic, but he or she should have a justification for the same. Now let's see our third category of questions which are based on situations. The UPSC interview panel gives a situation and asks the candidate how he or she would respond to the situation. These questions are asked to assess one's credibility as a bureaucrat or how efficiently one will be able to deal with the ground situations. Now let's see our fourth category of questions that are based on our behavior. Behavioral questions allow you to show your problem-solving skills and discuss your abilities, personality, and approach to challenges. Your answers should highlight self-awareness, growth, self-reliance, and willingness to help another individual. Therefore, the candidates are advised to attend mock interviews to assess their performance and to avoid some common mistakes. Make a note of your own weakness and strength and try to avoid them in the interview. The concept of a UPSC interview is to place you physically before a panel of experts, and its purpose is to assess your true, authentic self. So, attend the interview with full confidence and a positive attitude. Now let's see few examples of UPSC interview questions. First, what are your career goals? Second, why do you want to join the civil services? Third, explain why you chose IAS as your first preference. Fourth, why do you want to join civil services even though the salary is limited? You must remember that more than your theoretical knowledge, UPSC interview questions test your common sense and presence of mind. Therefore, the candidate must keep a calm mind and understand the intention of the question that the interviewer is asking. Also, since profile-related questions are quite common, one needs to be thorough with what one writes in their detailed application form. If the questions are directly related to a particular subject, you may go into the theoretical details. However, look out for questions that are tricky and demand witty answers. An intelligent response to these questions will surely impress the interview panel. Friends, these were just the topics on which the IAS interview questions are based. In our next video, we are going to discuss the most brilliant UPSC and IAS interview questions with their sample answers. I hope you find this information useful, so kindly don't forget to like, subscribe and get notified for my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching the video.